Hello, good evening. I would like to present my assignment, second assignment for tonight. Uh, Here is the proof that my SDB1 is extension 3 and mounted in data 1. My SDB2 is ext4 and mounted in data 2. And lastly, the SDC1 is XFS and it is mounted in up backup. But the partition of boot is on SDA2, which file system type is ext4, and the command for to delete a partition is first unmount the disk. Just like you mount, oops, wait, you mount and the partition. Then SD1, and after that press enter. When you finish unmounting it, to delete the partition, you just type sudo parted, del slash sdb1, and when you enter this one, just type print. This is the details of this partition. Then to remove it, just type rm1. When you enter this command, it will delete the partition. Okay, next. There are several ways to change the partition label. Make sure that when you when you change label, you must unmount first the partition. So first, if you want to change the label of ext1, 2, or 3, you must type e2 label, then the the partition name of our Dell STB1 then the new name. Okay, when you enter that one, it will change for X XFS. I think this is the one. Type after you mount the partition. Type the string minus A, the new name, then the old name. Yes, the then press enter. That's all for tonight. Thank you.